This has been my first CxEnergy conference, and it's been amazing. My favorite part of the conference was just the various panel discussions, and I really loved how the audience engaged in the conversation. I will definitely be coming back in 2025.
I like coming back to CxEnergy because it's the only place that I could talk to people about both commissioning and energy management at the same time, because there's really no other conference that does it that way.
My favorite part about CxEnergy this year is networking with all the commissioning providers and also the facility managers. And it's really nice to see the turnout in the facility managers. We have more and more turning out every year. And it's really nice to see this growing year after year after year. It's also nice to see that we're keeping up with technology. The expo hall and the vendors we have providing their goods and their services is wonderful.
I get asked all the time, why do you keep coming back to CxEnergy? And it's the people. And people come by routinely just to say, well, how can your software help us? And I try to describe that to them.
The traffic was great. The periods between the sessions are really busy, and we have a good crowd around our booth every time, and we're considering bringing more people in the future because we have a lot of people that want to talk to us.
Overall, it's been a 10 out of 10 experience. I've really had a great time here.
And on behalf of ACG Board, we'll see you in Charlotte.